Sugarcane production begins with the choice of cane varieties to be planted, based on local soil and climate conditions. Choosing the right varieties ensures productivity and resistance to disease. More than 600 varieties have been developed in Brazil. The use of fertilizers is limited because solid residues from sugarcane processing are used in the fields to offset traditional fertilizers. Filter cake, for example, rich in phosphorus, is recovered at the mill and utilized as an organic fertilizer. Sugarcane stalks, developed especially for use as seedlings, are scattered over the soil by planting machines. The seeds are actually clumps of sugarcane. Once it's cut, sugarcane is highly perishable and needs to be processed in a mill as soon as possible to avoid losing its sugar content. The cargo is transferred to conveyor belts that carry the cane to the crushing system. The juice that results from the cane crush is used to produce sugar and ethanol. Most of Brazil's 430 active mills can produce both. How much of each product is made varies according to market conditions and technical aspects of the mill's design. Juice from the first and second crushes is richer in sucrose and is usually dedicated to sugar production. The first step is to purify the juice, which then undergoes an evaporation and boiling procedure. At this stage, the sucrose is already crystallized. The crystals are isolated in a centrifuge from molasses, which can later be fermented to produce ethanol. The crystals are moved to dryers and then filtered and stored. In all, the process from the arrival of the cane at the mill to the storage of sugar takes 15 hours. Each ton of cane produces about 120 kilos of sugar. Brazil is the world's largest sugar producer and exporter. It answers for about 20% of world production and 40% of global sales.